Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get the Amazon Kindle Unlimited free trial. This is a fantastic way to access thousands of books, audiobooks, and magazines at no cost for the first month, allowing you to explore everything Kindle Unlimited has to offer before committing to a subscription. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to activate the free trial, as this will be linked directly to that specific account. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a menu labeled All with 3 horizontal lines next to it. Click on that menu to reveal a list of categories. From this list, select Kindle e-readers and books. This will take you to a dedicated section for all things Kindle. Once you're there, click on Kindle Unlimited. This is the subscription service that gives you unlimited access to a vast library of digital content. Now you'll see an option to join Kindle Unlimited. Go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the sign-up page where you can start the process of activating your free trial. The next step involves selecting your payment method. Even though this is a free trial, Amazon requires you to have a payment method on file. You'll see options such as add a gift card or promotion code or add a credit or debit card. For this example, let's click Add a credit or debit card. This is the most common method people use to set up their trial. You'll now be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in the name on card, card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the verification process. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Add your card. Amazon will save this information securely for your account. Finally, take a moment to review the terms and conditions of the free trial. This will outline important details like the trial duration and when you'll be charged if you don't cancel before the trial ends. After reviewing, click the final confirmation button shown on the page, such as Start your 30-day free trial. Once you click this, your trial will be activated immediately and you'll have instant access to the entire Kindle Unlimited library. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Amazon Kindle Unlimited free trial and can now start enjoying thousands of books and audiobooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.